Hi everyone. Today I will be demonstrating you a very interesting Python package UV, which is a one-stop solution for many packages like pip, pip-tools, pipx, poetry, pyn, virtual, and etc. And not just that, it is about 10 to 100 times faster than pip. So that's the best part. I just tried it out and it was just amazing in terms of speed. Apart from that, it can also install and manage Python versions, can run and install Python application, and a number of other features are also available. So in this particular tutorial, I will be demonstrating how you can use UV and how it is much faster than pip and its other features. So let's get started. So now we will be testing out how UV outperforms pip in terms of speed. So what I have done, I have created two virtual environments. One, I would be installing library called as transformer, which is quite huge using UV. And in the other case, I would be using simple pip install. But before starting off with the comparison, how to use UV, you just need to call pip install UV so that it gets installed in your system, and then rest of the commands are quite easy. If you're using pip install xyz, you need to now use uv pip install xyz. So let's get started. So first of all, I will initiate installation of transformers in this particular package, in this particular environment. Pip test pip install transformers. This will take huge time using pip, and now using uv pip install transformers. Now let's see which one performs better. You would be seeing that, as you can see, UV has already started working and it is going at a very rapid pace. Here pip is just not able to start also, and I think before it will start, UV would be able to complete the installation. So the speed is just crazy, I would say. Here you can see that the installation hasn't started yet in terms of pip. So this is the difference. You can see that how slow pip is compared to UV and how great UV is in terms of speed. It is able to resolve 18 packages in just 1.77 seconds, and here the installation hasn't started yet. Now the installation is starting off using pip. Here the installation is complete now. Installed 18 packages in 11.64 seconds, prepared 18 packages in 37. So about nearly 50 seconds it was able to wrap up the entire installation. And here pip has just started off. I think it will take some time. As mentioned in the description also, UV is about 10 to 100 times faster. And this is just one demonstration. I tried using UV for multiple things, and it is just awesome. And not just with for pip installation, it has great applications for creating virtual env as well. So you are here, we have already initiated a uv dot underscore hyphen test virtual environment. Let me deactivate it. Even creating a virtual environment is quite fast. Now it is able to completely install transformers. Now if I show you how to create a virtual environment using UV, that is also quite interesting, quite fast to use. Just use UV VN test one and just see the speed. I think when I'm using VN alone, it is taking me about 2 to 3 minutes to create a virtual environment, but here things are way faster. Now, as you can see, the virtual environment is also created. So it is able to perform multiple tasks very fast, and I think worth trying out. Everyone should try it out. And one of the best packages that I have come across so far for and as an alternate for pip. So I hope you try it out and leave out your feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much.